subtraction, multiplication. Since we are talking about a set is a group, okay? It's a group. It's a group of something. So we are not only dealing with a simple number wherein we can add right away. So we have here other terms for this operation. So the first one is the union of sets. Take a look at your page, the page 31 of your book. Okay, let's use the example. And by the way, keep reading the books. Maybe you can find answers there for our midterm. Okay, digitawan books na, you may borrow your classmates' book. Mabalin nyo pa upaan, 5 pesos per hour. Kasla computer shop. Kasla computer shop no pa. Okay, number 1. Given that we have U, when you see the U, listen, quiet first. When you see the U, usually, we most of the time associate it with the universal set. Nuyo ko natin ang it's a convention among us that it's already a universal set. Sayang man din ito.
May sir naman na may erase data, nakasurat-surat yun.
Universal set. Okay? By convention, this is our letter U. How do we name a set? We are using capital letters of the alphabet. That's how we are writing sets. Okay? So nakita yun ni yun, usually or most of the time, it is intended for the universal set. But not all the times. Mabalin nga usaran na U, pertaining to the set of apples, or the set of fruits, kuna tayo, pwede lang tamit yan. So take note, pwede. But make sure na kinaawatan kayo. So if I'm going to give you the letter U to mean the name of a set, then we are referring to the universal set. It's a convention. No convention, kasla ground rule. But it's not true to all. When mabaling nga si diyan kaya sumurot ka din, na nagtutulagan yung na, okay lang. And no, it's once it becomes a universal rule, awan ti karbangam because it has been agreed upon by all members of the mathematical society of every country in the world. Balik na rule nyo pa. And usually, mathematicians do not go deeper on that when it comes to names. Basta susurutan lang ang mathematicians kasi bigyan ko mga formulas, patterns. Then it's not a pattern. Kasi nag-ana nyo lang, nagtutulagan niya. So that you can represent something. So hindi nyo kahit mo sa TU for the universal set, mabalin nyo sa MBA, okay, wala. Okay, in our class, whenever you see the U, the set U, that is our universal set. Naglagi ba na? I don't need to repeat that again, especially during tests. So makita yun ni U, it is our universal set. Clear? Okay, so it says here, our universal set, is, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, until 9. So we have here, U contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Universal set nga tamit lang data set. Ape, aging gana 9 lang. Hanya infinite balong 1 universal set. I'm asking you higher order thinking skills. Ano ba dapat kayo set? It should be infinite. A universal set. Ape saan? Correct. Okay? No, asin lang, iso lang. Kasi dito po. Okay? So, iso amin, DJ9 is all in your set. Iso lang, DJ. Kasi na kanya yun, the set of first year, DTLED, IA, APA, IA, and APA. O, dakay lang mo ka, DJ. It's limited. Ano kayo? 40 plus? O, 40 plus. Our universal set is only limited to this class. Okay? The set of DTLED, IA, first year, IA, and APA. Dakay lang mo ka, DJ. Sa universal set kayo, dakay amin. Ito yung class. The subset may be the set of APA, first year APA. So, dala. Another subset, another set, within the universal set, we have the set of IA. Ginawasan tayo kadeta, just ask me questions for clarification so that I can give another example. No, kami ako nag-unikit, I assume nga you understand it and ang kudetihan lang ng mga, I am not going deeper anymore. Mas napakakyaw lang kamay mo pa. If you do not ask questions. Kasi no need to stay there. No, maawatan yung amin eh. Kung dito ko plano ka sa duman ka, makaturo. Delegate, kasi maboring lang. So, next. Next. Kung magbibuya ka picture next. Kung interested, lumayan na. Next. Yan. Okay? So, when we talk about the universal set, yung manulang elements na the when we are talking about the totality of what we are talking, just like for example, related to factor type, the set of first year DTLED, APA, and IA. So the totality is yan. That's our universal set. And it's finite. Finite is the opposite of infinite. The infinite, awan patinggana. Finite means there's an end. Even if you are talking about millions or billions, basta the patinggana, it's finite. Awan patinggana pulos, basta naka 1 billion ka, may kadapi kayo 1 billion 1. Naka 1 trillion ka, may kadapi 1 trillion 1, 1 trillion 2. So, awan patinggana, it's infinite. So, our universal set is sometimes finite. It depends on the context, what we are talking about. Okay, let's have this one. Example. We have also our set A containing 1357, 1357, and our set B is equal to 2468. 2468. We are talking about the set of numbers. When? This is an example of a set of numbers. Usually, kasi ang piece of set when it comes to math. But when we are talking about simpler math, in elementary, yung kubrahin na set of fruits, set of school supplies, something like that. But now we are manipulating. Okay? So if we are going to get the union of set B and set A, what will be our answer? Okay, madi. The one source naman eh.
Sabaw, nasa sabaw.
Aglulus?
Aglulus na din.
Not good. Sayang, no.
Paano na makapatan ng projector kasi dilemma ng mga. Okay, so what will be the answer here? Union, pagtitipunan ko na. Union. Somehow, that is addition in simpler operations. So we have here 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 19. 19. We are on the upper end. So pag titipunan, dagitoy nga numbers. Okay? So let's have set C. Maybe set C contains 1, 2, 3, and 7. Okay, what is A union C?
5, 6, 7.
A union C. We have 1. May A can you see ah?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Take note, naulit ni 1,
3.
it appeared twice ni 1 can ni 3, but when you are going to write, if in a set, dapat maminsan lang agparangin. Kasi a set is, ano din meaning 27?
Wala, awan mo. Madi.
Madimit, sir. Manipulate din, ay, sir. Ito, sir, namin manipulation ko, sir.
Yeah, contains no duplicate.
Visit sa
Madin sa tewaya.
Visit sa
Wayan sa amin ti madin. Ni pur yun to.
Oo na yun.
Okay? So, awan, mali talaga. I'm very sorry.
Okay lang, sir.
Okay? So, dapat awanti maulit when you write that in a set. But if it's a group, a simple group, pabalik na ulit-ulit. But, when we have defined this as a set, awan dapat di maulit-ulit nga elements. Are we clear? So, when there are 2, 1s, and 3s, at the jai, we got the union of 2 sets. Dapat, when you write the answer, may isa lang nga 1 tag parangin, and may isa nga 3. Because if you are going to write another 1 there, and another 3 here, it is not a set anymore. Kasi naulit-ulit. Okay? The naulit nga element. So, ikamin yun. Write them only once. Okay. How about our next example? Our B intersection C. Another operation, set operation. When we are going to get the intersection, ano talarin tayo?
Padaan, sir.
Kay pagpadaan.
Padaan.
Kas nakabaliktaran ni union. Okay? Di union, madagpad ay katem. Sa kaya, kamisan mo lang ay surat. Hindi ito, ayan ang pagpadaan na isot alam.
Two, sir.
Okay, the answer is
So,
Kulat nagpadaan na, sir.
B and C. B and C. Ayan ang agawan na toy.
awan.
Ada 2.
Sunak, sir.
Ada 3. Tubangin. 6. 8. So the answer is
2.
2. Okay. So anong pagpadaan, that's the intersection. How about
Intersection.
A intersection B? A intersection B.
Awan, sir.
1, sir. 1.
Pagpadaan.
Awan.
Ay, awan kaya.
Awan, sir.
Awan.
Awan, sir.
Nanset. Awan, sir.
Ang and A.
Bukan, sir.
Not applicable.
Syntax error.
Ano?
A intersection B.
Louder.
A intersection B.
Ano yung question? Ano mo na?
Give example given. Ayun na.
Yung mga gets yung question.
Sir, kasanong-kanon na yung surat ito. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Detoy? Kasalong ka na yung surat?
Ano, sir? Ito, yung pagpagawa na sa
Detoy? Kasalungan na alat yung answer na detoy?
Di ba, sir, kung di data, di ka mo sino ang para na number.
It's a union. Union, pagpiti po ng amin yung nagdamadoble kadoble na. Natawa na rin, talo, dala kang nakapasad yan, may isang test yun tayo. Okay. Ulitin tayo no union yung union, di ba no? Kasal kayo ng union of two people. Wala na yan. Pinagtipon di Diyos ng kailangan mabalik ang pagsinahin ng tao. And ano lagay magpangalan? The two became one. As like, union, nagtipon. Ha?
Grabe, nagtipon.
Itipon mo ba yan? Hindi ka nagtitinda. Well, the more here, kung nadakaroon. Ulit. The union, pagtitipunan amin, so that A can see pagtitipunan, yung nadamay ang doble, ikatang di ka doble na. Di yan may sala. Basta na dahil item or element kada kapadpada na ikatang di ka padpada. Well, ano yung masurutan? When it comes to union, basta alat, isurat mo nila, isurat mo, then to na makita na maulit, ikatas din na ulit.
Oh.
Imatin lang, di may isa na okay? So intersection man, kabaliktaran na. You are going to get the common element. So ayan na yung pagpadaan da, di dyan yung pagbaga ni intersection. Ayan na nagpadaan da, intersection nga ron. Ayan na nagpadaan. Okay? Are we clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Then, awan dyan, ayan na talaga, dito yung PowerPoint na yun.
Tawag na talaga.
The difference. Okay, A minus B. I'm giving you examples simple examples. Kasi mag-conduct ko online using our MBLE, these problem sets. So, how about A minus B? This is the difference of two sets. And not A minus B, based from our PowerPoint last time, kaya may ipakita
Subset,
ulit.
sir?
Bigay na sa ulit ni A minus B, ang negative elements ni A na A1 can be. Okay? Ang negative elements ni A na A1 can be. Take note ha. Ang negative elements ni A na A1 can be. So what are the elements of A? Surat tayo pala. Okay? And then, dito pa may long method, yan to no, ang sumbat kayo should be, you should write the answer properly. Okay, so the elements of A are 1, 3, 5, 7. A minus B. 1, 3, 5, 7. At the element ni B, kada 1, 3, 5, 7. Awan B element na, so the answer natin, A minus B is 1, 3, 5, 7. Baliktad din tayo. B minus A.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay, kasi basta grade 1. Okay? Dapat yung pala sumbat yung pet sa may mayat, kasi Makanya nga ubing-ubing na tapos. Mati-ating din kanya yung anong awal there, 18 years old. Baka tricycle mo yun. Tulad naman, dinor na paano. Paano eh? What? Kaya kamuyo dili na before you write the answer. If B minus A, bigay na sa when another elements ni B, so it depends on what set is written first. So sa value ni A minus B can B minus A. So importante no asin no tinaibaga ko muna. So another elements ni B, alahin tayo. 2, 4, 6, 8. At the elements ni A, ito ay elements ni B. 1. So the answer is this one.
Di ba na rin? Letter of set?
Okay? So how about another one? A minus C. Another elements ni A, naan na elements ni C.
7.
Okay. Ala. Magkano na pala? Step by step. The elements of A are 1, 3, 5, 7. Itatan, out of these elements, ikatin tayo negative elements ni C nga dito A. Kasjay. So ano negative elements ni C nga dito?
1,
1,
3, 7, 7.
1, 3, okay, 7. They are initially elements of A. Yung baputa elements mo susunod ni C, ikatin tayo. Dapat pure lang na element ni A. Di mabati.
5 lang.
Okay? So the answer here is 5, 1, 3. 5. Oh, makakadan. 5, ah. Dito lang yung bat na. Anat the elements ni A, nahaan ni elements ni C. That's the meaning of the difference. Na? Anat yun. Wala kayo sulat mo sulat ka. Okay, next. The universe, the complement. When we talk about the complement, we are just lang, what's the complement of intellectual alpha in this class? The complement. You are the set of DTLM, 1A, alpha, and IA. Another complement is DTLM, 1A, alpha. IA, correct. Kasi sudalat na batin. Anat complement, DTLM 5 nga naipaga na aside from alpha. Kasi ito complement. So, anat complement ni IA?
Alpha.
Alpha. Dito. Ako mo sabay na major si Dwayne yan. 1. Okay? So, you are the universal set. Then I have here another set, the set of alpha. So, alam mo complement na katijay, set of IA. Kasi so that the rest of the universal set. Hindi yan titagdaanan. Aside from alpha, asin lupay, di kita, that universal set. DJT complement. Yang mo pa nang term di Ilocano dito. Basta digitay tagtuma kay na part T universal set. Kasyan. Okay? So if we have here our universal set U, what is the complement of A? Complement is written like this, as the apostrophe. Okay, what's the complement of A? For another getting elements, the universal set na a 1 is A. Right? The answer is 2, 4, 8, and 9. Okay? Dapat the complement of A, ang kita ka the universal set, yan dapat ang mayroong rana dito. Okay, so dati pagpapagin, ang complement ni Alpha, of course, ni IA. Kasi ni IA han na Alpha. But they belong to both different 1A, Alpha, and IA. So what's the complement of B? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Correct. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, what's the complement of C? 4, 5, 6, The answer is
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Now, next question. Ha? Ano? Next question. Any question?
Talaga, next.
Okay, next. What is the complement of A union B? We are now put, kasi dito A minus B plus 1. That's kukumbay na. Okay? So what is
9.
the complement of A union B?
9, sir.
Kitahin nyo lang the elements na ayan natin at the universal
Nine.
set na 1.
9.
The answer is A union B complement is equal to 9. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gusto. Okay, how about the complement of B intersection C? B intersection C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, ang buhay agalangan. Always, when we talk about complement, always look in the universal set. How about the complement of A intersection B? Correct. Okay? Since this is a null set, yan ang aming nagipig at awan na dito, so you are going to write them on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, do you have questions? Kasi lang hindi nakalaglag na. What is the complement of B minus A? The complement of B minus A. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Take a look, universal set. Iba na lang 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay? So, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is just like A minus B including the element 9. Oh, kaya kayo. Okay, medyo a little bit complicated na. It's just like A minus B, these elements including this element.
Naisi na lang ko. Yain na
Okay. Dito tayo, B minus A or the complement of B minus A is the same as A minus B union. Okay, we don't know the name of the set yet, so we are just going to write like this, 9, with the element 9. Correct. Or, mabalintay siguro nga, instead of writing it like this, kasi sa aming negative letters, negative set, name of a set, negative element, maybe we can write another set. Mabalintay isulat nga, let set D be equal to the element 9. Kasi yun. O take na ta, we can always create our sets. We can name them the way we want. So, babagpatayin. Unang nagpangpanagan yung set yung okay lang. Basta, we follow the convention. In the Philippines ngayon, our convention is that we name the sets after capital letters. Okay, so if B now contains the element 9, then we can say that the complement of the ano yan? Difference. It's not minus. Yung minus, di ba, bagbagatin yung dapat iter yung, when we are talking professionally difference. May minus namin kasi lang slang. Di na slang? Slang. Slang. Informal, kasi informal. Okay? No, the difference, that's the formal name. So, the complement of the difference of B and A is the same as the difference of A and B union D. Okay? Huh? If we have set B to contain the element 9. Okay? At the it's a combination like this. Basta maamoy detalyo, ay lupat. Union, intersection, difference, and then the complement, you can create any combination. Basta you follow the rules.
Pero pa ulit man yan talaga dito.
Which one?
Kasi feeling niya ang
Dilitoy? Okay. What is the complement of B minus A? The complement of B minus A, let's write the elements. Masurutan mo. The complement, what is B minus A? Wala. Ayan natin B minus A tayo.
Ito,
So,
sir.
ayan.
Sinusok awan.
B minus A is 2, 4, 6, 8. And the complement of 2, 4, 6, 8 is
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Okay? Including 9. Take note that our A minus B is up to 7 only. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Awan din na. That's why we are going to add one more element to the difference of A and B. So this is our A minus B. But since A minus B is up to there only 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, we are going to add another element, and timbagate lang tayo, let's set D be equal to or contain the element 9. Yan yung datay tinangiset. When it's not a product of computation. It is tayo naramid tayo lang nga set. Tatlo maka-compute tayo. Okay? Union D. So, no union 1, 3, 5, 7, tapos union 9, which is the element of D, then maalam-amin din kayo. Which is now the same to this. When? Ha? Cancer na din, Soy? Now, dito ulit. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is now the same as another elements ni A minus B? 1, 3, 5, 7 plus union D, inayon mo ni D,
9.
lang ni 9. So, ang padadan, take note, they are now equal. When?
Yes, sir.
Kasi ito tiro mag-test.
Yes, sir.
It's a combination of these set operations. Kasi let's get 1 plus 1 minus 5 divided by 3. It's like our PEMDAS. When it's a combination of operations, but we have to check if just like our PEMDAS, the PEMDAS, it follows a certain rule. PEMDAS, wala na, di ba? We start from parentheses, exponents or roots, then multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. We take it from left to right that time. When? From left to right. No, at the naka-grouping, you also perform those groupings. Okay, no questions here? Okay, next one. So this is about the set. Now we go to another topic, which is a function. A relation. What is a relation? The relation ko to, ngayon talaga dyan mo iyan. Okay, take a look at your book. Another relation. A relation is a rule that pairs each element in one set called the domain with one or more elements from a second set called the rings. So, when we are talking about relations, it creates an ordered pair. Ano ito makunkun na ng ordered pair? Ang agpada. Nag-plot kayo din, iti grade 9. Basta po mga, detoy.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Kas to eh.
Yes, sir.
Partition
Negative
plane,
1,
sir.
negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where can we find the point 2, 3? So,
Ito, sir.
Bottom pass po, sir.
2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. Dito ito point 2, 3. Or 2, 3. Dito doon mga teachers namin, 2, 3 pa natin. Okay? To be more exact, ngayon suna it's an ordered pair. So 2, 3 is an ordered pair. It's a pair, like that. But it's not just any kind of pair. Di pair namin ka, mabalik din binaliktad. So ma-ordered ko na importante di order. Order. Noong muna nito, dapat nito. Yan. Because if you are going to change that into 3, 2, that will be another point. So the 3, 2 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Detoy. Dito yata batong na dito.
Yes, sir.
So that is a different one. They are not the same. That's why the order is important. So order pair. This is a pair, but it's just not just like any other pair, or any pair nga mabalin mo pag binaliktad ka siya. The order is important. Lutudin mo na dapat to. Okay? Because our first number is our x value. The x value pertaining to our x-axis. Then the y pertains to our y-axis. So, no ang bordered pair ka, no 2, 3 ko ng amumon nga diyan, tunga na yung baga, you find that or you locate that in our x-axis. X-axis first, then y-axis. Okay? That's why it's called ordered. Okay, now we go back to our relation. It is a rule, kuna na yan, that assigns, pakibasa man, kabisado dito. Sige. Ako na, basahin na, lalas na. Louder.
Relation is a role that pairs element in one set, called the domain, one or more elements from second set of the range. It is a set of orders.
Okay, so let's go back to our sets. Our set A and our set B. Suppose the element, ano the elements ni A yan? 1,
1, 3,
7. We have 1, 3, 5, 7. Ni B, 4, 6, 8. Okay. It's a rule, kunana, that assigns or pairs the elements of the first set to the second set. Kunana, di ba?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking for a term. Listen tayo. A relation is a rule that pairs each element in one set. This is our set. One set called the domain. So, di una nga set, we call that the domain. And then with one or more elements from a second set. This is our second set, which we call the range. Okay, the domain and the range. So, kasama sila, pagpapairin lang. 1 is being paired to 2. If 1 is being paired to 2, then it creates an ordered pair. Una na, di ba? So, we have now 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 is being paired to 4. 1 comma 4. We have 3 paired to 4. 3 comma 4. 5. Let's say 5 is paired to 8. No, I'm making it random. There's no rule yet.
Okay, sir.
One rule pa. Kasi lang ipagpakita ko lang they are being paired. Then there's a rule. Dapat nagpa-rule.
Yes, sir.
So that we can say, definitely bagbag lang that they are being paired. Suppose at the rule, without the rule, yung they are being paired, hindi sila panagkala. Okay? Then ni 7, kasi lang kuman ni 7, mapankin 6. Okay? So take note that in a relation, mabalin nga agulit-ulit the second set. Okay? Kasi lang kuman digit-digit, Christian, ay, digit Muslim, Kristiyano, born again.
Sa Batista.
Digit,
INC.
never mind.
INC.
But, so, dati may isa to, ito at asawa na. Ni 1, ni 2, and ni 4.
Sana all.
Okay? Ni 2, and ni 4. Or, baka tinaan mo, dedicate, relation nga rin. We are talking about relation.
Ang kaskat mo.
Relation. Okay? So, detriment, 5 and ni 8, loyal.
Tama, loyal. Sana.
Loyal.
Dito
Then 7 and 6, loyal. Loyal pa. Detoy, sabsabali dito yan.
Kabit, sir.
Danta, danta.
Nag-revenge, sir. Nag-revenge, sir.
Baka natin yung
Original.
Okay? Basta kas dyan, you are pairing one set to another set. But there must be a rule. Okay? The rule, you don't know yet. Okay? Yan kasi lang kung the pairs, magdalang ko the example to the malpasta illigay function. Right? So, kasi ni relation to the function, they are related. Related man na, they are related. Okay? So, this is a relation. The function, how about the function? Anong idea ni function? Pakibasa man yung function.
It's a row that pairs each element. It is a row that pairs each element in one set. So the domain with exactly one element from the second set called the range.
Okay.
So the sir.
No, ang may iso.
Sa bali.
The difference na. Biro ka nyo the difference na. How is our function different to our relation?
Ito, function circuit. Diretso
Ano
lang.
may isa?
Diretso lang, sir. Diretso lang, sir.
Okay. The function, di pagbagan yung function, awan maulit-ulit na second set.
Unique set.
Okay? So, awan maulit-ulit. Mabalin siguro maulit dito, yung dapat dito ang maulit-ulit.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Haan nga maulit-ulit dapat dito. Dito pwede nga maulit.
Domain lang po.
Bias saya.
Yes, sir. Bangit, sir.
Bias. Kasi naman malilipit, lalaki, babae. Hindi lalaki pwede nga agulit. Hindi babae sa
Sobra.
mali, unfair. Oh, men's club and women's club, baka pwede yung i-propose dito. One more gaya. Sino officer to women's club ito?
Answer pala hindi na ang representative
Para monitor lang.
One set.
I have a question.
I have kayo.
Di ba yan advocate the women? Di ba sa babae ka? Oh, dapat gender equality.
Yes. Sir, may sa pagkakasyon ko ako yung i-maintain nila.
Awang ba na
Kasi
i-propose?
sila ang actually magbagatit ni Gita.
Dahil propose ni clubs din.
Ay, umbing set na kami.
Yan na, mga galing na pixel. Oh, no, kasi na kung ano kaya yung dahil beginning yung club, agaramit kayo yung constitutional bylaws. ipaanayo, papel. We would like to apply as an institutional club at CDE. Our club is named LGBTQ. Approval yun. Baga niya dyan, ayun, nagiging constitution and bylaws yun. As in not member. As in, monthly membership fees. As yan. As in not officers. Dapat nabagas siya yun. Okay, now, going back. We are talking and advocate the gender equality, women empowerment, tungkol na namin. Lubin nagkatang, ay lalaki dapat eh.
Suga, sir.
Kaya mo, di ba ba? Hindi ako mabagkat dito, dapat lalaki ko na dyan.
Quality nga rin.
Sir, kahit babae pa, baby, ang talaga.
No, if we are advocating for gender equality, hindi kaya ni boys dapat kami. Well, but if you admit that men are superior than women, we will gladly carry your things sa kasyan. Diba? So ngayon nga, pagpabagkat, at walang pagkatong man dito ko, kung wala naman.
Ma'am, gender equality.
Yung teachers nga babae, malawag ka, magkatong man dito, gamit ko yung pamilya office. Eh, nalalaki ka saan daw, pagbagat ka kasta. Kasi kaya da. Kaya da.
Pusa.
Sino? Baka nga lalaki niyo.
Egim.
Palaki.
Egim.
Baka nga lalaki.
Egim.
Native. Okay, nawan ka sa yung basta di bagbaga, when we are advocating, I mean, it's not only about the rights, it's also the strength,
Capability, sir.
capability. Okay? Kahit si babae, kaya na gasoline, boy girl ko na, okay lang. Kaya dati mapandi Mount Everest, okay. Kaya na drive, pwede, okay. Can they carry what we carry? Dapat, ni Hidilin, Hidilin Diaz. O, Hidilin kas waras dyan. Yung mga namin kagbagbagat kas dyan, makasexy mo po.
Maperdi.
Maperde mag-i-amy si Maperde. Okay? Anyway, let's go back here. The bagbagat yung function, there must be a one. There must be only one pair. Yan.
Unique pair.
From A ay adalang dapat may isang pair ni second set. So, kasyan. Mabalin nga kastoy. Okay? Nailan tayo may isa?
Na.
Kasta ko ma. Okay? At daanin dito, at daanin kargana dito, at daanin partner na, yung dito ay dapat dito maminsan lang ang parang. Okay? 2 is paired to 1, 4 is paired to 1. Yung ano mabalik nga ni 4, may pair pa yung isa balik. Just like this. Okay? That's the difference between our relation and the function. Naka-restrict ni function. Okay, let's draw our graph. Tatlong awatan yun. In our graph, when we are going to write this one, what is 1? This is our ordered pair. 1, 1, 2. Okay, we have here 1, 2. Eta. Then 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Deta kami, duwadag ko yan. If you are going to look at the graph, kung makaaramid ka ti line, ano nga exactly? Makaaramid ka ti line, a straight line going down, get duwa nga points tinagnaan na, then it is not a function. It's a relation, but it's not a function. Okay? Kasi ituloy natin the next week. I'll take a picture. Ala, agresearch kayo pa lang